Cars are used for individuals to travel to their desired destinations at any time. But no one knows how the car is built inside the factory. Let's see. The process begins with raw materials such as steel. After that, the steel roll is uncoiled by machine. Then, it is cut into the required size in the creation of sheets. Next, robotic machines transfer the parts to the production line. Now, all the parts are pressed into proper shape by a die. And here, heated material comes out from the machine to make parts. Then, another body parts are made here. Finally, the body parts are ready to make the car's body. During the assembly process, the door, floor, and roof panels are expertly welded together. First, the door parts are assembled and welded. Next, the welding process starts. Following that, an anti-spatter automatic spray is applied. Next, the welded bodies are assembled, joining other panels in the production line. During the assembly process, about 4,000 welds are applied at various points. After the stamping process, the shaped parts are assembled by welding them together. Now, the floor sides and roof are assembled for the next process. Next, we will see the painting process, where the car's body is washed and cleaned with water. After that, the car's body is dipped into primer for coating. Then, sealant is applied to the joints of the body. Next, the color body is prepared for the middle coat. Here, the middle coat is applied to enhance and achieve a beautiful color. After that, the top coating process starts, where cars are painted with their designated colors. Once the painting is completed, the body is sent on to the next station. Now, the car moves to the assembly line where the interior components are added. Then, the dashboard is installed. Next, the engine, brakes and other undercarriage components are installed with chassis. After that, the tires are assembled by robot. Then bumpers are added. After that, the front door and logo are attached. Finally, the car is ready and sent for the driving test.